Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today, I will be exploring how to brainstorm a new business idea for freelancers. And, well, don't go away. Now, building on my video about how to create a scope map, let's take a step further with a quick look at brainstorming. So what is brainstorming? Well, this is a creative process where a person or group sits down with a problem in mind and finds solutions to that problem. And this usually happens at the beginning stages of a project. Now, its aim is to map out a large number of ideas to help define the problem and all of the possible creative solutions. If you are going to be a freelancer, you may find yourself brainstorming alone. But not to worry, brainstorming can be done in groups or just flying solo. Before we get into the steps to effective brainstorming, let's consider a few questions. Now, if you want to succeed as a freelance business owner, you have to be all the way in. It takes a special kind of dedication to maintain your motivation each and every day. So to begin with, I want you to ponder, are you ready to commit as much as possible to being a freelancer? Is this exactly what you want to do? Are you committed to creating a comprehensive plan, and are you willing to fail? It all comes down to a core belief in yourself and to stay the course to successfully start your freelance business. Now it's time to brainstorm. So first up, let your mind wander. So find somewhere that you find peaceful, free from distraction, and then give yourself some time to dream about what you hope to accomplish. This is so important. Before you start figuring out the fine details of putting your operation in motion, you need to keep an open mind and inspire yourself. Where do you want to be in 5 or 10 years? What do you hope to accomplish? Ask yourself these types of questions. Research. So in a previous video, you created a scope map. This allowed you to consider what your business may be focused on. Now it's time to hone in and focus your ideas. So start with some basic research about your industry. Who are some other freelancers out there that are doing well? How do they showcase themselves? And what would you do differently? Now, with this in mind, filter your ideas. So 3 common filters that successful entrepreneurs and freelancers use are time, money, and resources. So to ask yourself these questions: how much time will it take to produce a product offering for your clients? How much will your product or service cost you? And what types of resources do you need to offer your product or service? Now, these are all very general in nature, and when you create your business plan, you will address these in more detail. But for now, they are at least there to get you thinking. Share and bounce your ideas off others. So up to this point, you've done quite a lot of thinking. So time to share with some people that you trust. And I emphasize trust. Don't just choose anyone. Ask for input from those around you whose opinion you value. You want constructive input, and the type of input that will help you in better shaping your ideas. Now, in order for brainstorming to work, you need to be in the right mindset. So after all, you are making a pretty big life decision. So it's best you prepare properly. And this is a process that also cannot be rushed. So don't expect to lay the groundwork all in one day. Also, don't get stressed out. There are many facets to being a freelancer, so you need to pace yourself. Take it one day at a time. Tackle each stage of preparation carefully, and don't stress out about everything that you need to get done. And finally, enjoy yourself. If you have fun preparing to become your own boss, this will shine through. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content, and you never miss an episode, or connect with me on LinkedIn. The links are below. I'll see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.